We are of the opinion that the best solution builds a consumer, not create a sale. We at CSoft strive to offer nothing but the best. We often struggle to find the documents as they are often poorly named or improperly stored. We unfold our newest launch through our virtual tour for saving your valuable time and money. WiseINDEX, a document management solution from CSoft. Watch it now to relate to the questions and to get a detailed idea on what WiseINDEX does. Managing and archiving documents becoming strenuous? Also, are you worried about the security of your documents? Are you facing problems retrieving important documents from your current archive? Are you not certain how to migrate from a desktop management system to a secure web-based solution? Do you want to be able to control every change made in the archive? And do you want to access your file from anywhere? Are you having these questions also? It is the ideal time to switch onto our latest document and drawing archiving solution, WiseINDEX. Reasons for choosing WiseINDEX. It is more productive offering a digital office, offers a secure document archiving solution, tracing every modifications made to a document, supports all file format, assigning tasks to users and associating files with the tasks. Files can be accessed from anywhere. Searching documents and retrieval is smooth and supports different criteria. Some key features of WiseINDEX. Supports all leading browsers, custom fields, revision management, accompanying HTML5 viewer, security of the files, annotation support, text search in document, custom role-based security, complete audit trail of documents, advanced search, task management and data transfer. What are you waiting for? Are you worrying that your company infrastructure won't match with the DMS? Facing issues in maintaining high-cost DMS? Worrying about the costly maintenance to learn DMS properly? Do not panic. Here's presenting WiseINDEX, which solves all your problems. WiseINDEX, a cost-effective solution enabling client-wise document managing for easy work and storing. It is easy to use and requires no learning. The idea of a paperless office is becoming a daily reality. With the growth of cloud storage services, document management is becoming more important. Thank you for your valuable time. Connect us through phone, send us an email to get the details.